But it has not been a try. And I know that one day it's going to take place. Without peace, without unity, there won't be any development. And who are you, being a king, and you're ruling in the kingdom, and there's no development? And before the development, there must be peace, and there's no peace. And before peace, there must be unity, and there's no unity. So my joy, my happiness, and my concern that I'm going to be remembered for, if I can be able to restore unity, one, peace, second, and then the progress, that one would have satisfied my soul. Then politically, it may be out of the interview now, but politically, I am envisaging that during my tenure, by the grace of God, let Idoma's son become the governor of Benue State.
Amen.
That has been my cry. That has been my yearning. And that is why I've been telling my children in Idoma Kingdom, Idoma is not your problem. The love and the concern I have for Idoma Kingdom, the bonding is on me more than all of them. So you can't say that Chidoma should do this and do that, thinking that I don't have the love of Idoma Kingdom. No, never. I need the progress. I want to be seen and to be known. Chidoma, your son is now the governor of Benue State. I should be seeing my son, the governor of Benue State, coming here to kneel down before me and pay homage. I want to see my son to be there, that when I call, this is the situation I want to see you right now, Nana, you abandon every other thing and be here with me. That is my yearning. And this cannot be possible if at all we are not working together. If there is no mutual respect and the hatred here and there, if father that have many children and the children are not united, what kind of love, what kind of happiness are you going to have as a father? So I want to be remembered for pivotal treaties. Unity, restore with Idoma sons and daughter. Peace, and then witness progress. And that is advancement in Idoma Kingdom. Whether we like it or not, the unity of Idoma Kingdom, coming together of Idoma Kingdom is not negotiable. You cannot change it. And by the grace of God, a decree has been made. Before going in detail, let me tell you something. I have been praying to God for this thing since I came on board, since 2022 when I was coronated. That Idoma must come together and have a cultural festival the way we had today. I have written more than 3 times. Where do you see them? To John. But today, I'll show clearly that if 2-3 people can stand up with me, we will sustain this. 23rd of December of every year have been selected as Idoma Day. And so shall it be. And we are starting from 21st, 22nd, and then the grand finale is going to take place in this kingdom, in this palace now, no longer outside. And my message to all of them, let us come together. As I said then, fragmentation, it doesn't work. Rivalry doesn't work. Division doesn't work. We must unite together. I belong to this group. I belong to this group. It doesn't help us. We have other people surrounding us. We need to borrow a leaf from them to build. You know, the best thing somebody can know when you have seen somebody doing something and you want to adapt on that thing that that person is doing, you do it more better. Because all his loophole, weaknesses, you are going to work on it. Other people are doing, we know their weaknesses. We leverage on that one and improve what we have. And that is my message to every sons and daughter of Idoma Kingdom. We must key in Idoma Festival Day. We must key in. Yes, Idoma International Carnival can be a part of it, but it must be a part within Idoma Festival calendar in Idoma Kingdom, which I told us today. So all the sons and daughters, wherever you are, I'm just telling you that you must key in. It has never been there before I came. And I want to revive it. This is what we had before. For the past 35 years, It went to oblivion. We don't know anything about Idoma Cultural Festival. And I'm bringing in that. This is what I say I will do. I say I'm going to uphold our tradition, our culture in a godly way. And I will do that. The only thing you or anybody in Idoma that can never force me to do is to go and worship Ado to make a sacrifice. That one can never and will never happen. But upholding my culture and tradition, I will. Idol worshiping can never be a tradition of Idoma. I'm a son and daughter of Idoma kingdom. My father is not idol worshiper. My grandfather is never idol worshiper. So where? You worship anything that you want to worship. But we have the same identity, and that is Idoma identity. But we have a diverse culture within Idoma kingdom. So because your father worshiping idol and making sacrifice, then you say I should be making sacrifice. No, never. So what happening today, you can see all the traditional troops, they were there. Don't you see me dancing with them today? Twice I was dancing with them. I want to show to them that I am a traditionalist by myself. That one doesn't mean that I'm an idol worshiper. I am a culture man by myself. That one doesn't mean that I'm bound down to idol. But then you are telling me that I should go and be making sacrifice. That will never and can never be done. I might say, 23rd December has come to say, and we are going to work it out, the modality to make sure it is reality. And you are going to see, I bet you, next year it is going to be awesome. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be more than what you have seen today. And this legacy is going to outlive us. That when we are no longer there, people who are coming behind us, they will say, indeed, when Ochidoma feet was there, this is what he has done.